Hello. Okay, enough. Hello. Go back to seat. We're done today. Mr. Eric, Mr. Ryan.
Yeah.
Mr.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Teacher.
Yes, today we talk about metric, transpose metric, transpose.
I didn't know that because I wasn't there.
Metrics. What is metric?
I don't know because I wasn't there. It's what you sleep on.
No, that's metrics. That's metric, not metric. So metric.
I don't know.
It's a two. You can think of it as a two-dimensional array. So look, this is a metric. Okay, so numbers like 1, 2, 3,
That's basically
4,
like
5,
a big
6,
bucket.
7, 8, 9. So there are 9 numbers.
Okay.
So in Python, you can do it this way. You can have this, yeah. This is a list, but it's a two-dimensional list, yeah. Two-dimensional list. It's 3 times 3 metric because it's 3 rows, 3 columns.
Oh,
Yeah?
I know.
Yeah.
This is a whole bed. There's 6 pillows.
Okay. Think of that as well. Okay. Look, and how about this one? Look, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and then you can do in Python you can do this. Yeah. This is a start with a list. Yeah. It's a list, 2 lists. A whole list consists of 2 lists. One list consists of 3 elements. So this is also a metric. It is 2 times 3 metric because it's 2 rows, 3 columns. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is 3 columns, 3 rows. Okay? So now we are transposing transpose. Transpose. What's this meaning? Transpose. Can you guess? Okay, so this I write it and then you tell me where it is. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so it's this. Okay, so it's the same. Okay, it's the same. But I will have this 1, 5, 9. Okay, and then 2, 4, 3, 7, 6, 8.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so can you tell me what's transpose?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you basically go down.
What do you mean go down? So how do? Okay, so you for this one it's left. But how about this?
You go this way.
How about this?
That way.
Like A, B, C, D, E, F, and then transpose becomes what?
It comes A. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F.
Okay. Okay. Not quite.
Why?
Okay, so I tell you why. So it becomes A, B.
Ouch!
This is A, B, yeah.
No, that's.
A, B, C, D, F. Okay, so it's
We're
become.
blocking your way.
No. It becomes A, D, B, E, C, F. Okay. So do you get it?
Yeah.
Huh? Do you get it?
Yeah.
Why?
Why does the green one on top? Why does the green one on top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. You can't think of anything.
Wait. You just turn it like that.
Turn this I left.
Yeah. No, turn it the other way. No, turn it. Yeah, turn it like that. No,
Turn it like that, but A should be in here, but it's still on the left.
Yeah, but turn it the other way. Yeah, like that.
Okay. Yeah,
I
something
need-
close. Yeah, something
I
close.
need
Yeah.
a drink of water.
Okay, then can you?
Oh, I know. You
Yeah.
turn it like that, then pretend it's not too deep, and you just flip it over.
Yes. So this coordinate this is 1, 0. Okay. 1, 0. So this is 1, 0. So it will become 0, 1.
Can
So-
you open this?
Yes. Okay. Do you get it? So look.
Yes.
This is original coordinate is 1, 2, right?
Ouch!
Am
Yes.
I? 1, 2, right? So it should be the same as in the new metric. It should be 2, 1. So 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. So it should be C. Sorry. No, 2, 1. 0, 1, 2. Yeah, 2, 1. It should be F. Yes. Exactly. So do you get it? So for this one, if the rows and the columns are the same, yeah, if the rows of columns, if the size of the rows and the column, if it's a square, okay, if it's a square metric, this is diagonal, yeah, it never change, yeah,
Oh yeah.
it never change, and you just swap it. So look, 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 2. Yeah, I'm saying that if this is a square metric, you just swap it. Look, 2 and 4, swap. 3 and 7, swap. 6 and 8, swap. Okay? Swap along these. Do you get it? Okay?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? For this one, for any of others, if it's not a square, you can think of this one. So, first of all, if these are 2 rows and 3 columns, and the target metric will be 3 rows and 2 columns, right? Right? The size will be swap, yeah? Yeah, it will be, first of all, it will be turned this way, yeah? Yeah? And turn this way, that if this original here is 1, 2, if it's at 1, 2 location, and then it should be in the new metric, it should be in the 2, 1 location. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So how do we write this code? Transpose a metric. How do we write it? Define transpose.
That looks like.
Let's do it. A is the metric, okay? And then we return B, okay? So
What's that looks like Shabbat.
okay, try. Okay, let's call it R and C will be original size, which is the what? Length A.
Daddy, your
And-
work computer.
Let's length A0. Okay, so that's the original, yeah. And we need to create a new metric, which is let's call it B, okay?
It turned off.
Or T. Okay, T
Why
equals
is it T?
Target.
Transpose.
target or transpose. So let's do it original. Let's go in long times
What did you say?
how many elements of the rows? How many elements of the columns should be C columns? Yeah.
Yes.
No, R columns.
Oh.
R columns. Yeah. R is the rows. It should be the columns now. And then for
I in range.
in range
See? Big brain.
what? C, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be C.
Column.
Okay, and this one. This means that I create a new metric with the field with the none, but it's the R columns and C rows. Okay, so you don't need the I, you just put an underscore. And then for R small r in range row, yeah, column. For C in range C, right? And then T, look, this is transpose. CR equals what? A what? Can you tell me what's this? What should I put here? CR equals A what?
BC.
What's B? Let's
RC.
RC, yeah, RC went up. So you see, this
Oh.
one, yeah? And return what?
Return C.
Where's the C?
R.
No, where's the T?
A. Transpose. T.
T, of course we are doing this, you can guess, okay? So look, this is a bit tricky. This is to create, the original size is R column and times C. Now, this is create a metric with C rows and R columns. And then we go through each row, each column in the original array of metric, which is RC. But in the new metric, it should be CR. What's the time complexity? There's an N here. Oh what? No, you're just guessing. No. R and C. Using the R and C. Because when you say log N, when you say
RC.
N means something, right? Yeah.
RC.
So what's C meaning here? There's no
RC.
C meaning here.
Yeah.
There is only R and C. So what's the complexity?
R times C.
We're done. R times C. Because we need to go through R times row and C times row. Do you get it? You're not guessing. You're not saying N. N. What is N? Here is. You can say
I didn't say
N square, right? If N is a size of a square metric, if this is N, yeah, square metric, then you can say N square. Do you get it? When you say something, that's something you need to mean it. You need to tell me what it is. That am I right? Do I make it? Yeah. Okay. So what's the space
say
complexity?
Space complexity is OC times R.
Well done. Yeah, it's the same. OCR or ORC is the same. Yeah. Because you need to allocate a new. Basically, this is the metric. You transpose it. You rotate it. It still takes that much amount of space. Am I right?
Yeah.
Well done. Let's do the coding.
Yay!
Oh, sorry. Can you turn on the lights, please?
Where the light?
I can't see it.
Turn on.
Okay.
No
Just second. Okay, can you not go there, please?
What's the password? You never know.
Wait, I need to take this off. Okay, and then I need
Now
to.
it's a bit blurry. Can't see
Okay,
it.
then.
It's blurry.
No.
Now the picture's super blurry.
Wow, I forgot my password.
You forgot your password?
Oh yeah.
It's 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9. You think 1, 1, 2, 4, 0 is 3, right?
Is that alright? Let me turn over this. Is it
Yeah.
clear? Okay, sit down, please. Sit down. Is it clear? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me check. Oh my God, I need to see. I need to check. Okay, that's it. No, don't touch it. I think this is all right. Yeah, very clear. Yeah. I'm right.
Myself. Taking nuts and mangoes. For myself. What is it perfect? What does this do?
Wait, that's okay. Yeah, okay. That's it. That's it. Let's do the coding now. Okay, good. So let's do the transpose. Okay, transpose. dy.
I wasn't here yesterday.
Yeah, that's okay.
I was.
So let's do this original metric. Okay. So we can do this. So it equals 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then column 4, 5, 6. Let's do a square metric and a not square metric. Okay. And b equals 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then that's it.
1, 2, 3.
Let's print the metric. Okay, print the metric a. So we just do this for r in. No, we can just do this a and then print r. Okay, print r. So if
That's super quick.
yeah, let's do this. Let's try metric a and print the matrix b. Let's see if it works. Okay. Transpose. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I probably need to.
They're all in random. Just add them together.
No, what I mean is this. I need to print the. Metric a.
Why is it all
Okay.
R? Why nothing is all red?
Syntax highlighting metric b.
How does it? Why does it make it red
It means it's a string.
with the others?
Yes. Okay, so let's clear. Yeah. Yeah. Now we need to transpose it, right? Transpose it. Transpose
What
it.
does transpose mean in real life?
I don't know. It means rotate maybe.
The
Transpose a. Okay. Remember we talk about RC equals len a. That's the number of rows, and len a0. That's the number of columns, right? T equals none times r or times c.
times T equals. Why don't you carry
R
your dog?
for in range C, right?
Yeah, column.
No column. For R in range R, for C in range C.
Done.
Then what? T RC equals what? TRC equals what?
TRC equals CR.
I return what?
With T.
I already give you the answer. Okay, now let's do this, okay? And then let's do this. A equals transpose A, okay? And print transpose that, okay? Then we can say print metric A again, and then the same thing for this. So print after transpose, and then B equals transpose B, yeah, and print metric B.
And print
Wait.
metric.
Okay. Let's hope for the best. Okay. Index out of range. That's interesting. So the first one is okay, but for the second one, there's a problem. Okay. For the second one, so not R. That should be C. RC. R is the length.
Look, that's catapult, but this is low.
Let's okay. No. There's a mistake. It's CR equals RC, right? Because RC is the original coordinate. CR is the new, right? Yeah? Okay, so does it make sense? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 7. Transpose, it will be swapped along the diagonal, right? Metric B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright? Yeah? Does it make sense? Wait. Actually, in Python, you can do this, okay? You can do this, Python. Right, now I have this A equals 1, 2, 3, yeah? 4, 5, 6, right? If I print the A, it will be this, yeah? If I transpose, I can do this. Look, magic, okay? I transpose into B, I can do this. List. Make it a list, and then zip A. This is the magic. I tell you in the last lesson, and let's print the B, okay?
The last lesson.
You see? Is it transpose? Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah? It becomes 3 rows and 2 columns. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. This is the Python, because we already know how to do it in Python, and it's quite useful. So that's why computer already provides this. So we don't have to reinvent the wheel. You know, reinvent the wheel? You know the phrase, reinvent the wheel. If it means something that has been invented, we don't need to invent it again. Am I right? Yeah? Am I right?
Hello.
Yeah, that's the last bit. Okay, good job today. Good job. Very well done today. Both Eric and both.